right now because this is from AXN Beyond. Okay?
Then you're gonna win this mug!
Yes, because right now it has been showing. The first episode of Teen Wolf,
Which is not Michael J. Fox.
Michael J. Fox. It's
at all. It's a serious series.
it's trying to be like Twilight and Vampire Diaries, except with
It's
werewolves.
trying to be like Twilight, but riddance to that movie.
No, there's gonna be like romance and stuff. This, by the way, is AXN Beyond. Teen Wolf started on July 17. That's on a Sunday, and you can win this very nice Teen Wolf cup mug. Never Love a Wild Thing. Okay, all you have to do is we have two ways. One, you can answer the Facebook question, which is where was Scott, the lead star of Teen Wolf, bitten? That's where he was bitten, where he was also a werewolf. As you know, in the original Michael J. Fox movie,
He was scratched.
was he? I thought it was just Hereditary.
Oh yes, it was
Right?
That.
He wasn't attacked by a wolf.
That was funny when his dad.
Yeah, because his wolf also
very
had.
hairy.
Yeah.
Even hairier than he is.
No, he was more groomed, actually. He was
That
groomed.
was
He looked
groomed.
like a nice,
Brush up. Even that.
No, he was actually down. He looked like a Lhasa Apso dog.
Who was brushed? Oh no, sorry. Teen Wolf was brushed up.
Anyway, you have to say, because the main star was attacked by a werewolf, and of course got, the curse and whatever. So if you can see, send to bendayersall@gmail.com. Send us your answer. First person gets to win the mug. Also, here's another one. This is Ben's Cosplay Corner. If you can see me right now at facebook.com/yourfaceradio, you have to like it and you have to listen live. Send me an email, same thing, at bendayersall@gmail.com. The 10th email will win another mug.
10th email.
10th email, because it's Ben's 10.
Oh, so they have to email you 10 times.
If they really want it, or if they think they're lucky enough
This
to.
is a really great mug, and you can't buy this anywhere. This is something that you have to win.